Today we're making blood red hot chocolate
and marshmallow bones.
Let's get started.
To make your marshmallow bones, take a giant marshmallow, then using a cookie cutter with a rounded edge, we're going to take off the sides of each of your marshmallows. Next, you're going to take a pair of kitchen scissors
and cut the bottom and the top of your marshmallow.
To make our blood red hot chocolate, you're going to grab a heavy pot.
Add 3/4 cup of white sugar.
Next, add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder.
A pinch of salt.
1/3 cup of boiling water. Take your whisk and give it a stir. Bring this pot to the stove and set it on medium heat.
It's a good time to check in with your grown-up, my pretties.
Slowly add to the pot 2½ cups of milk.
Once your hot chocolate starts to steam, it's now time to add a cup of cream and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla.
And keep stirring. Now to give our hot chocolate that blood red color, add 2 tablespoons of red food coloring.
So once you've added the food coloring, bring your hot chocolate back to a simmer. Happy Halloween!